So if you are getting this message, you have reached your limit on any app which you're using on iPhone. So there are two options. One is try to ignore your limit. Just try to ask for one more minute, remind me in 15 minutes, or ignore limit for today. And if you choose any options, you'll have to it'll allow you for one time, but after some time, next time it will not allow you like this. So how to remove this message? Just go to settings, and then what you have to do, in the setting home page, you'll have to find screen time. Tap on it. Now just tap on app limits, and now there must be the limit enforced for that particular app. So the app Telegram was having this app limit, so just tap on it and delete limit, so you will not get this message every time you try to open that app. Thanks for watching, guys.